Abby, this is for you again. Cinderella movie. Me, I am gonna be way over here. My best trick shot yet. Until I go to, you know, a little big shot, stadium, maybe, whatever. Ah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!